It's one of the, I think, most critical elements today and highly demanded from customers is that packaging that is sustainable. What is, in your opinion, the key element or the key elements to make an e-commerce packaging more sustainable?
The key elements to make e-commerce packaging more sustainable, that's a very good one. Sustainability is such a vast topic, and there are many opportunities in e-commerce packaging to increase this. Starting at the beginning with just the material choice, then the manufacturing specifications are sometimes overlooked in regards to waste and even the speed of production, how fast the machines produce them. And then this can go down to the pallets inbound through reducing CO2 on the delivery vehicles. It can then move into the design, and is it suitable for the supply chain to help reduce returns or damages? But one of the most critical areas is, and our largest opportunity, is a reduction of air. These more efficient design solutions can not only reduce the raw materials used, but also CO2 emissions, energy usage, and sometimes eliminate the need for single-use plastics or non-recyclable void fills.
Yeah, it is true that there is more and more pressure to reduce or eliminate plastic in our daily lives. Governments around the world have begun to ban plastic from various areas, plastic straws, plastic bags, and so on and so forth. Where do you see a tendency to replace plastic in e-commerce packaging?
One of the areas that we've seen highlighted a lot recently is the plastic easy opening tapes used in e-commerce designs. And it started to become an issue for some customers that are looking for more sustainable packaging solutions or plastic-free solutions. So perforated opening strips or zipper rules are generally used as a current alternative. However, in some cases, it can reduce pack performance as it's an engineered fail point within the design. This then means that additional fiber is required, offsetting the initial sustainability gains created by removing the plastic. Another opportunity for replacement is where single-use plastics are used for void fill. This can be achieved by developing more right-sized solutions that perform well in the supply chain and tested, and are designed for the customer-specific supply chains.